Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody, and how is all my friend? Today I would like to topic our English teacher. Alhamdulillah, and many thanks for giving chance about this topic. Our English teacher has been my English teacher. His name is Mr. Khalid bin Mahmoud. Very good name, and our good man and good teacher.
Right.
This English message. He is owner and he is head of the department. So we are very happy we got like this teacher. He is very honest and his presentation, when he give our classes presentation, is very nice and very easily. Before we are thinking very hard for speaking English, but when we are coming in English message center, after we are feeling, no, it is not very hard but very easier for us. So we are happy and we give many thanks my teacher Mr. Khalid bin Mahmoud, and he has also his small brother also Mahmoud bin Saleh, and another one teacher also. All his staff is very good and all take the English class is very presentation very nice. I am also a beginner. I am not perfect for English, okay. But today my teacher tell me, okay, today your topic English teacher. So just I am.
Okay, what types of things you learn from English message? What kind of things?
I am learning is very easily now, Alhamdulillah, and I am feeling it very.
Okay, can you please tell me some of the things like what you learned? Structure,
our teacher every day like give 2 structure or 3 structure. Sometimes he give many word vocabulary which one we need for speaking English. So this is very helpful for us. So many thanks our teacher Mr. Khalid bin Mahmoud and our friend all English message.
Thank you, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum.